Let's unpack 5 mystery bags for Nina from Stockholm, Sweden. She chose gray, pink, and purple. She loves bracelets. Let's go! Green, a beautiful bangle with green stones. Green, wow, a charm too. Look at this beautiful, delicate bangle. I know just the ring to match it with. Wear it with a simple black top. Purple, a statement ring with coastal vibes. Perfect for summer. Get one more bag. Blue, a simple bangle to stack or wear it solo. Awesome, double gray. A delicate butterfly necklace. Very cute and minimalistic. Get 2 more bags. Double green. A clover bracelet with sparkling stones. Very eye-catching. Blue, a pair of beautiful heart-shaped earrings with pearls. White, a cute ring with moving stone in the middle to add more fun to your outfit. Before I forget, comment below what bag I should send as a gift. Nina, your 5 mystery bags turned into 8+1 complimentary piece. Congrats!